G'day and welcome to the Assets Role page. This page is for grouping your people and equipment by their job function or category within your own business. Setting these up is essential as it allows you to standardise skill requirements and also send bulk correspondence to specific groups. It's a brilliant way to keep everything neat and tidy. As always, we have our search functions. You can change the columns setup with the arrows. And if you want to add, simply click the plus button. The icons on the left again are Edit, Delete, and View. Now you'll see that some of these roles do have grayed out sections. They are because they've been set within the system, so you can't edit or delete them. However, you can open them and you can add associated skills and people to those as well. And that is how you manage your list of asset roles. By creating these groups, you're building the foundation for powerful compliance reporting